YouTube, what's happening? And I'm back with another video. I told y'all that you'll be getting a video on a Sunday. Now I have to make this, edit it and upload it on the same day. Oh dear, I'm still full of cold and still coughing. I don't know what this seems like, COVID 2.0 or something. Bloody hell, but yeah, I'm gonna, this here, the heater fan still needs to be fixed. I've lost the bloody button for it, so I have to use my bloody fingers to turn it. Oh, I've fitted LED bulbs, but yeah, with this, it's because I'm sick why it hasn't been done. But as soon as I'm better, that'll be fixed. Obviously I'll order the new unit and do it one time. But yo, let me go drive down the road and show you guys, because what happened right with this is that I told you that it had like a coolant leak, and that coolant leak was a hose pipe. I think it was coming from the heater matrix to the engine, and every time I was driving, you'd see like steam coming from the engine bay. Yeah, £50, 55 actually, that cost me just to change a bloody pipe. Mechanics absolutely see, I could have saved that 55 if I see. The thing is, right, with eBay, it's a big risk sometimes you're buying things, because it's not really 100% sure whether it's going to fit or not. So I just took the risk and said, yo, give it to a garage, make them sort it, and see they've sorted it, the car's working fine. But I did tell you, any more problems with this car, it's gone, mate. And I wouldn't do no stupid thing like to try and sell it on We Buy Any Car or anything, because they just absolutely rip you off, I swear. Because I could probably get up to £1,000 or over by selling it privately, but with We Buy Any Car, they're not even offering 500. That's absolutely ridiculous. And the thing is, right, I know how their system works, because I used to pick up cars from BCA, which they also in partnership with. Yeah, and they just take the cars from WeBuy, buy them for practically nothing, and then auction them off at the BCAs where the cars go to. And yeah, basically try and get profit from auctioning them off more than what they paid, because they'll have like a minimum bid start price, I think. Quote me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's how it works, that they have a minimum start price and they expect a certain amount. Fair enough, yeah, they might take a loss on a car here and there, but what is this learner doing? But yes, let me show you guys. Turn the lights on. Oh, put the bonnet. So this is actually, see it's done 154,720. That's a lot of, well, I wouldn't call that a lot of miles for its age, because it's 2005. Oh, but yeah, it does its job perfectly fine, which is deliveries. That's the whole reason why I got it, is to obviously make money doing that on the side. And now I can't be having it like down, not working. So yes, that tyre there looks a bit flat though. Is that a bit flat, dude? So two things that need to be done with this car, right, is the handbrake needs sorting. The handbrake's a bit weak. It's not as strong as it should be. This alloy needs refurbing. It's quite bad, that is. That's the worst alloy out of all of them. And I think the tracking needs sorting, because this wheel, the wheel is straight. Is it? I believe the wheel is straight. Yeah, the tracking is out on that wheel. See, that looks straight, right? This wheel looks straight, right? Now let's look at this one. That's curving in that way a bit. It's not the car. That's definitely the wheel, because you can even see it at this angle. That is going that way a bit, the wheel. So yes, the tracking needs doing. Because like say, if you don't have if you don't keep an eye on the tracking right, what will happen is you'll burn out the tyres uneven. Those are the LED headlights that are fitted, and yeah, they're looking good, but I do need to clean the headlights to get all this residue off. I have looked at a couple of ways of doing it. There is something called it's on my Amazon actually, I can't really see that right now, but it's bug repellent. Apparently I've seen it on YouTube. They just spray it on there, wipe it, and it comes straight off. But yeah, this is where the coolant was leaking from. I thought it was coming from here, the reservoir tank, but it wasn't. It was a pipe back here that you obviously can't see. But yeah, they basically fixed that one time and charged me £50. I really could have done that myself, but I didn't. But yeah, that's the update with the Micra. It's running again. Let me go top this up actually, because it's looking a bit low, mate. See, productivity, because I've been in bed now since what, Friday, and I thought to myself, yo, roll out the house and make a video. Let's see, I'm gonna make this video and then swap the cars over and then make a reaction video, because if you don't know, I have got 3 channels. This Nigel's View one, where this one will be uploaded to, a gaming channel, and also a reactions channel where I react to things and yeah, try and make it funny, try and make it entertaining. But there is another problem with this Micra as well, is, don't forget, this backlight is doing something funny. Let me turn on the indicator and show you. I think I'll try and make this a raw non-edited video, you know. But yeah, look at that. You think man's gonna get stopped for that? But the disco lights, so that one's flickering, and so is that. So I need to sort this before the MOT is due, because that will not pass the MOT. So then what good is the car for then with no MOT? I don't know, but yeah. See, I did a little video while I was in bed, and I thought, see, because today was meant to be a go out and do deliveries video, but I woke up too late to go out and do deliveries, and plus I'm still not 100%. I still feel a little bit too sick to be out doing that. So yes, I'm gonna do these two video, go back home and chill out, man, because today is Sunday. I'll go out tomorrow and do deliveries regardless, because I can't take having too many days. I can have the whole week off if I wanted to, but I can't take too many days of just sitting at home. I don't know what it is, just sitting at home doing nothing. Absolutely bores the living hell out of me. So yeah, that's the little quick update of this Micra, you guys. So hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts down below. Now I was thinking, is it going to be off-putting, or some people are going to be like, oh, why are you making a video when you're coughing so much? Because I'm showing my dedication to this shit, man. Whether I've got a little cough or whatever, I'm still going to produce content, you know what I mean? That obviously just goes to show how bad you really want it. Look how these, I just walk straight in the road. Didn't even look to see if there's a car coming, yo. They just walk straight in the road. But yeah, you guys subscribe, and I'm out.